I'm Oscar Rush, a toolmaker based in Suffolk. My adventure into blacksmithing started at 15 when I got my hands on a small coal forge and anvil and began smithing. Making woodworking tools completely fascinates me. There are so many different aspects that need to be nicely integrated together to create a top-tier tool. With the exception of a few more modern practices meshed in, most of my making process is how it would have been done for hundreds of years. Now, after years of improving my tools in my workshop, I'd really love for them to get into the hands of woodworkers worldwide.